you've been super eager to hear my new review of the London Butter nail color. But first I have to tell you, I was going to meet a friend. Okay, it was a guy. We were going to this new juice bar that I've been dying to try. And of course, there's no parking, not even a valet. Ugh. So I had to park like 3 blocks away and walk. So anyway, I tried to take this shortcut down an alley and I'm hearing this like weird moaning. So of course I'm like trying to book it and in my new Valentinos. And all of a sudden this guy is like on top of me, like seriously. And he's like slobbering and gross and ugh. I must have gone into like total fight mode because I started kicking and screaming and finally I got away and just went booking for the juice bar. Of course, I lost one of my Valentinos. But anyway, I walk into the juice bar and it wasn't until then when the waitress starts screaming that I realize that he bit me. Yeah, he actually bit into my skin and I'm bleeding and the waitress is screaming. So finally I tell her to just stop screaming, call 911. So traumatic. And then the guy that I'm supposed to meet texts me like 5 minutes later to tell me he has to cancel. Like, WTF. At least the EMT was like super cute. Total babe. And my plastic surgeon says there won't be any scarring. Hey guys, I know I'm a little overdue in posting about the new French Girl Mineral Lip Tint. It's 100% cruelty-free, by the way. I'm like that dick that bit me. But honestly, I've just been feeling a little under the weather. I must have caught that bug that's been going around. So I've been doubling up on my zinc and my vitamin C. But I do have some good news. They found my Valentino. Yay! And I've been trying to find out if they've picked up that guy who assaulted me. And they're just being like so vague about it. It's probably my mom calling. Hi, Mom. And it's like, I'm the victim here, right? And the police won't tell me anything. But my lawyer does think that I have an excellent case. Although I'm not supposed to talk about it. But besides, we have more important things to discuss, like this new color line from French Girl. Hey guys, I know I'm super late in posting anything. I'm so sorry. But I'm just not getting any better. I'm getting worse, I think. It's weird. And I've been WebMDing, and let me tell you, there is some scary shit out there. Shit. Ugh. Sorry. I know you don't always like it when I swear. Ugh. But seriously, you know how I feel about doctors? And I think I might actually need to go see someone. I think my neighbor might be sick too. I keep hearing this weird moaning coming from his house.